Hey y'all, thanks for dropping in. Well, today we have a special episode. Supposedly this went to a shop, I don't know wherever it came from, if someone did, a shop did do this, they need to be shut down. See if I could zoom in on it. I don't know if you see that glob by the BQ chip, and then these big old fat globs of solder all by the charge port. Pretty ridiculous. But I don't like to give up easy. The client already paid some money, so we're going to give them their money's worth. We're going to try to fix this, as someone we all know calls Hiroshima. This thing's so bad. I really hope I could help these people. A bunch of screws were stripped. I just stopped counting after 4. And we gotta make sure to get all the main board screws out. Got most of the other screws out, so that's good. Figured people don't want to watch dead footage. I don't really know because no one's really commenting much, unfortunately. Hopefully you guys will change that soon. Moving forward. So yeah, we gotta get all those screws out. I think I got them all. Oh, no, there's one more by the fan right here. Come on. Just there we go. Alright, so we got that out. Now we gotta undo all these ribbon cables for like the fan and the LCD screen. We gotta carefully pop these off. Those are for like the antenna and Bluetooth and stuff. These are all chewed up. Just wanted to document that. Hopefully they're not damaged to the point that they don't work. If they are, I mean, they are replaceable, but then we're going into the cost aspect of it there. So anyhow, gotta make sure you get all these disconnected. We'll also have to take those speakers out. I don't know if anyone likes to leave them in, but me personally, I like to take them out. Oh, my screwdriver is in the other room. Alright. Sorry about that. But yeah. So always make sure to disconnect the battery first, by the way, with any type of anything you're working on. It's a precaution, safety, whatever you want to call it. Alright, so we got that out. Hopefully we could get this out. I think we're gonna have to replace that. That looks pretty bad. Pretty bad. I should have took that compound off. Now I got some on my fingers. Damn it. It's almost like a without fail type of thing. Get compound. There we go. Alright, so all the cables are disconnected. We just gotta disconnect the speakers. So I'll need the tweezers that I just tossed to the side here. There we go. Alright, we gotta get this one. Be extremely careful because you don't want to scratch or damage the board, which, okay, I thought they did. And then we gotta get this one. Okay, those actually came out fairly easy. Alright, now this whole board with some finagling should pull out. Just make sure we got everything again. Okay, yeah, everything looks good. Normally I could pop out right here. There we go. I'll put up quite a fight. Alright, so now we got the board out of the chassis. I really hope we don't lose quality, so I'm not going to stay zoomed in too long, but just to try to give you guys a picture of the horrendous what we're up against. Okay, let it focus. Hold on. This is horrible. I don't know, I can't. Probably doesn't do it justice. That's a little better. That still looks like it's keeping quality. But see if we can rescue it. Oh man, I don't even know where to begin with that. Because if I go to just suck it up with the solder wick, it's going to suck up some resistors and stuff with it, I'm pretty sure. Oh, fun times, fun times. Alright, give me just a moment. Oh man, you can probably already see it. It looks like a big ol' X. Look at that solder, dude. Why? Why, bro? Why? People are messed up, man. Pretty messed up. Alright, so we're gonna first get this poor solder out of here. And in order to do that, we're gonna need to use the Rework Station. So I need to reconfigure this whole setup really quickly. Let me see still. There we go. Jeez, freaking horrible. Actually, oh man, I can't pause. And so I want to pause and get some pictures of this back end for Instagram. Alright, so that's how I gotta see if I can clean this poor thing up. Oh, I should have turned on the iron a long time ago. Oh, I got the right tip on there, that's good. And it does heat up pretty quickly. It's a Heiko, however you say it. I like it. Has served me well. I just have to run through tips every so often, but isn't that with pretty much any iron? Alright, so it's almost up to temp. Oh man, this is crazy. They treated it like it was a HDMI port for like a PlayStation or something. Buddy, you may be able to work on PS4, do a job like that, be able to get away with a job like this on a PS4, but when you got something this small and this intricate, there's no way, absolutely no way you're gonna get by with anything less than precision. Very, very little forgiveness in the micro soldering world. Tell you what, even a little scratch near one of those post holes could potentially cause damage, you know, depending on where it is and stuff. Anyhow, let's get these cleaned up. God, this is horrible. And I actually employ our friend, Mr. Low Malt Solder. Help me clean up this boo-boo. Ooh, that one's really bad. Like they broke the post off completely. That's really bad. Yeah, I don't know about that one. Don't do this to people's unit, you know what I mean? If you don't know what you're doing, then say you don't know what you're doing and refund their money and send them on their way, you know? Well, I guess I'll never understand. So I just gotta make sure to clean these up really well. I'm kind of scared, honestly, to look at these pens. Hopefully it's not too bad. I'm more worried about this now. There's like nothing there anymore. They like broke it off. Yeah. So insane, man. So insane. I will never understand. Alright. You guys can still see the madness? Yeah, okay. So I hope it'll... Zoom in a little bit. Try not to lose quality, but I want y'all to be able to see. Like, this is insane what I'm up against. Insanity. Okay. I can't tell for 100%, but it looks like it might have cleared out good. Then again, it looks like there could be damage to the post too, like on the side right across from it. Hopefully it's not. It's just some kind of illusion, but we will find out all that and more on today's episode. Yeah. If you don't know what you're doing, you guys should not work on someone's unit is what it comes down to. Whatever place did this. Alright, so we got, well, what's left of post 2 cleaned up. Let's go ahead and get the other 2 posts cleaned up and then see what we're really up against on the other side. And then we'll handle that big old glob by the BQ chip after that. So crazy. So crazy, so crazy. I don't think I'll ever understand it. Like, if I was going to try to do something, you know, I'll give it a try, but once I started stripping screws and stuff, if it was me, I don't know, after like this probably first or second screw, really start contemplating if I should move forward or not. Just, I don't know. I don't know when to say when. I'm really worried about that. Well, I want to say post, but I should say lack thereof. Alright, surprisingly that one cleared up nicely. Again, we don't know what the other side looks like yet. We gotta hope and pray for the client's sake it looks good. I'm gonna have to do what I did to the post just a little while ago. Add a little more low melt. Some flux wouldn't hurt. Alright, yeah, there's definite post damage, and then one is like torn out. Alright, I'm a little scared, but we gotta flip it over and see. Oh, fuck. Yeah, this is gonna be fun times. I'm gonna have to charge them a lot more. They're probably gonna have to say no. Because, well, who knows what the other shop already charged them, but there's a bunch of rip pads. All along that bottom row. A lot of people are unaware of those bottom pads, so they rip them when they're trying to do this work. And we still have yet to address this glob of solder. I almost want to clean it just to feel relieved. Yeah, I don't know, because we're going to have to add low melt, I want to say, to get most of that off. It's just for fun times, because I have to end this video anyway. It's for fun times, see if we could clean up some of this solder real quick. Really quickly. Yeah, that's kind of how I figured it would go. So yeah, we gotta call the client, let them know. Maybe a no fix, unfortunately. Whoever worked on this really did it in. I mean, I could put in the work. Oh man, I gotta actually assess this. Must assess. Yeah, there's a few on the top row, some on the bottom row. A chunk ripped out right there. It's really bad. Might be a no fix we're looking at. But anyhow, thanks for dropping in. Just goes to show you're not going to be able to repair everything that rolls through, but as long as you at least give it a try or see what you're up against before giving up when the customer has paid you, I feel that's fair. You get paid for your work, you give them an honest assessment, let them know, hey, you might want to cut your loss. Because we could probably repair it, but we have to charge you because it's going to take so long to do all that repair work to fix what they ripped out and then do the original job. And then we still might even have to replace one of the chips on top of that, especially with that glob of solder right there in the BQ. But anyhow, thanks again for dropping in. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment. Steve with SBL Games, signing out.